Why spend time searching store shelves when you can get your favorite healthy snacks to your doorstep? I used to keep looking for my favorite snacks in different stores. Sometimes I'd find them, sometimes I wouldn't. Then I realized I could simply order directly from the farm growers website. Now, whenever I run low, I just place an order in a few clicks. The orange millet cookies for my evening chai. The ragi choco cookies for when I'm craving something chocolatey. And the millet granola bars for busy morning and long work days. Fresh products, doorstep delivery and no last minute supermarket runs. Healthy snacking really doesn't get easier than this. Visit farmgrowers.in and stock up today.